Imagine that with every twirl, each step feels like a scene from a fairy tale. Yes, today I'm going to reveal to you the secret of designing one of the most stylish skirts in the fashion world, the half-circle skirt. This skirt not only adds a lovely amount of volume and movement to your look, but it can also make you appear like a captivating and unique storybook character. To make everything completely clear for you, I cut the pattern paper exactly 150 centimeters wide, matching the standard fabric width. This way, you can clearly see how the pattern layout works on real fabric. We're about to design a full, flouncy, and charming skirt, so grab your measuring tape and let's create some magic. This half-circle skirt is super popular and comfortable. It's basically half a circle of fabric with just a seam at the back. And when you twirl, physics and beauty come together perfectly. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to turn this half-circle skirt pattern into a full-circle skirt. Imagine this part of the paper as two open layers of fabric, which is basically the selvage or edge of the fabric. And this other section, it's two folded layers of fabric. Now, if you want the waist radius of your half-circle skirt to be perfectly accurate, I've got a simple trick for you. Divide your waist measurement by 4, then add 5 centimeters. The final number becomes the radius of your skirt. Just like I do, use this measurement like a compass on your pattern paper or fabric and draw the curved line. After you've drawn the curve, measure the curve itself. The number you get should be half of your full waist measurement. If it is, congratulations. That means your math and your pattern are working perfectly in harmony. Now, with this cutting method on 150 centimeters wide fabric, the skirt length for a size M comes out to about 50 centimeters. So, with this method, you can't make a long or maxi skirt, but don't worry. I'm going to show you another way that lets you cut maxi length skirts even on 150 centimeters wide fabric. And it works for larger sizes too. You'll see, it's super practical and opens up a lot of possibilities. Now, copy the other half of the waistline onto your pattern and open up your pattern or fabric. Next, take these two pattern pieces, the skirt length and the back seam, which is basically the center back line, and place them on one side of the open fabric along the selvage. Basically, we're cutting a half-circle shape on a single layer of fabric. The middle of the pattern becomes the center front of the skirt. And the best part? You can make the skirt as long as you want. I recommend designing this pattern in your own size and keeping it as a permanent blueprint for all your circle skirts. You can even use it for circle skirt dresses. In this skirt style, we only have one seam, which is the center back, CB line. But let's take the excitement up a notch. Imagine you want to add pleats or make the skirt gathered for extra volume and elegance. For the extra width needed for pleats or gathers, simply add 10 centimeters to 1/4 of your waist measurement. The exact amount depends on the design and style of the skirt you want to make. One thing to remember, the more fabric you use at the top for pleats or gathers, the shorter your skirt length becomes across the fabric width. So instead of a maxi skirt, you'll end up with an amazing, full, luxurious skirt. Basically, we're trading skirt length for volume and drama. This waistline is for pleated or gathered skirts, and this waistline is for skirts without pleats or gathers. Now we've reached a super important detail in your pattern drafting. If you're making a simple circle skirt, no pleats, you should use the upper waistline as your starting point and mark the skirt length from there. But if you decide to add pleats or gathers for that extra flair, you must measure the skirt length from the lower waistline. Once you pick the right line, you can confidently design the flare of your skirt all the way down. And here's a golden rule. Always use this pattern on a single layer of opened fabric, not folded fabric. This way, you'll get the skirt width you want without sacrificing the length. You can make this skirt with all kinds of fabrics, from soft, lightweight chiffon to crepe and tulle for a more formal look, or even cotton and linen for a casual, everyday style. Every fabric has its own story. As for fabric length, for a medium to long full-circle skirt, depending on your fabric width and desired skirt length, you'll usually need 2.5 to 4 meters of fabric. For example, for a skirt 90 centimeters long on 150 centimeter wide fabric for a size M, you can calculate it like this: skirt length times 2 plus half of your waist measurement plus 10 centimeters. So you'd need about 2.30 meters of fabric. This skirt works beautifully for all body shapes, from hourglass and pear to inverted triangle and apple. Even if you have a rectangular shape, a few adjustments at the waist and some gathers can create lovely volume and balance. Now, for a full circle skirt, take 1/8 of your waist measurement and add 2.5 centimeters. Use this number to draft your pattern and then cut 2 pieces. This way, your skirt will have 2 side seams, and you can sew the zipper into one of them. The second cut continues the first cut on the opposite side. This trick saves fabric. For a full circle skirt, remember to double the fabric length, but subtract about 20 centimeters so it's not too long.